Kidnapped Santa by Analynn Riley. Chapter 15. Joyeux Noel. "Lauren, don't forget your backpack," Mother warned. "Budge over so I can get it." Lauren shoved my arm just like she did when she wanted to sit on Santa's knee in the sleigh. "Manners, Lauren. Even to my brother, that's not fair." Mom didn't respond. She was talking to a stranger who was in the aisle removing his luggage from the overhead bin. I was confused. Somehow we were back inside the big plane that had taken us to Canada. Were we flying home from Calgary? Was Christmas over already? "Where are they?" I asked Lauren. "Where's who?" "The elves, stupid. And Auntie Nicole and Uncle Sid. And where's Dad and this plane?" I felt for the leather seat beneath me, but it was only fabric. "Where are the leather seats and the computer station in the private jet?" "What computer station? You're mumbling, sleepyhead. You must have been dreaming. And Dad's waiting with Grandma and Grandpa." Lauren was snapping at me just like she did last night when we saw the elves in Grandpa's workshop. "I was not dreaming. It was real. I saw them and so did you. And now I believe." I tried to explain more, but Mom leaned over the seat to talk to me. "Time to leave. Grandpa and Grandma are waiting for us. We're holding up the others on the plane." Mom handed me my backpack. I slid into the aisle, hoisting the bag over my shoulder. That's when the stranger who had been chatting with my mom spoke up. "Nice posters, kid. Your mom showed them to me during the flight." The stranger's voice sounded familiar somehow. "So, you kids excited about Santa coming tonight?" I froze. I knew that voice, and I knew that accent. "My brother doesn't believe in Santa Claus," Lauren told the stranger. I was either dreaming or very confused. What day was it? Where were we? The strange man with the accent made it sound like it was only Christmas Eve. What was going on? The stranger continued speaking. I listened to every word he said. "So, madame, your children, they have been good? Or are they little greedy gusses who want you to buy lots and lots of presents every year?" My mom might have been talking nicely to the stranger before, but now she was using her serious voice. She was not happy that a stranger had dared to call her children greedy gusses, and to her face, right in front of them. Greedy gusses? Yikes! Oh no, I know that term. I heard it before. Monsieur Gâteau Fruitier. But before I could warn Mum not to answer the rude man, we were at the exit of the plane. The airline hosts and pilots were thanking us for flying with them and wishing everyone a Merry Christmas as we left. That's when I overheard one of the hosts saying to the rude stranger, "Monsieur, here is your parcel that you wanted us to store. Balloons, I believe." The host handed the rude man with the accent a very large, long box. I would have thought the box to have contained skis or something else completely different. Balloons? Balloons! Can't be. Yikes! I know about balloons and greedy gusses. Monsieur Gâteau Fruitier. It's him. Gotta be. The airplane host had wished the rude man Joyeux Noel and had called him Monsieur. That's French. And the rude man had a French accent. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Ho, 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 ho!